Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooks. Once again, today we will be making sharitaki, also widely known as slim pasta or slim rice. Today we're doing slim pasta version, as you can see. Yep, this is the tagliatelle version, and it's a good alternative to your carbs such as rice with pasta, and usually comes in this white pouch and filled with some form of liquid. I guess is to preserve it and to keep it fresh. Okay, and this particular one only has 9 calories, basically 0 carbs. So I'm actually going over now to show you what it looks on the inside. Okay, I'm just pouring this into my container, and the idea is to give it a good rinse. While all this is taking place, I've placed my wok on the cooker and I'm heating it up. Okay, so we're making a stir-fry version. So as you can see, I'm just rinsing that. It doesn't really have any particular smell to it. Others have said it does an odor, but I've not observed any of this. So either way, I prefer to rinse it first. As you can see, my wok is heating up. You can see it's smoking up over there. So I gave this about 3 washes, and yeah, so I can see that my wok is hot now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to pour some oil into the pan. Okay. So that's my dehydrated onions I'm pouring into the pan. And I'm just giving it a quick fry. So I normally like to soak it in some water to rehydrate it, so that means it soaks back the water and it gets softened up. So I just give it a quick fry there. Accompanying this meal is going to be my cauliflower rice version. So usually made from cauliflower itself. This time I bought the frozen one, so I just bought it out of the freezer, and I'm just going to toast now. I wanted the mix. Okay, these are very fine grains. Basically it's just vegetables for those who are not conversant with cauliflower rice. It's just made out of cauliflower. You can make yours from the very fresh one, and you can just chop it into fine pieces or give it a quick blend to fine granules and use. But this is the frozen version, because for me it takes a bit of time, which I don't really have, so I'll use the frozen version. Okay, so some of the other ingredients I've got are for my green beans there. I've got a bit more onions there, and I've got my stir-fried vegetables. These are the vegetables, so it's time for me to add this into the seasoning pot, and I'm just going to fry that in. So this vegetable I bought in a pack as well, on frozen pack. So I just more or less poured some water into, to dispose the ice, and I drained the water out of it. That's lovely. That's me adding the other veggies, the green beans, and some of the dehydrated onions. So I use high heat so that I don't want, if you use if the heat is too low, the veggies become soggy. But when it's on high heat, the liquid dehydrates easily. They evaporate. That's what I mean. They evaporate and then they don't become soggy. So everything has to be quick and fast. These are my big peppers. Dehydrated big peppers. Yes, and my mushrooms, which I love so much. I love my dry mushrooms. I've tried the fresh ones. I love them, but I just love something about the dehydrated versions because they give you that chewiness, almost like you're eating meat. Yeah. Who says life cannot be interesting? Just eating vegetables. Comment below if you feel otherwise. If you're more of a meat person or you love your veggies, please do comment. Now don't forget to like and to share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post another video you get notified. So I'm not a chef on this channel. I just love experimenting with food until I make everything explicit before you guys. Okay. So when you're cooking for your family, you're on a weight loss journey. You don't have to suffer more. Like you make the rice or the pasta. You can make your alternative version, which is the steamed rice, cauliflower. The steamed rice, in water it, they come in different varieties. We've got the noodles, we've got the spaghetti, we've got the pasta, we've got the rice. So yeah, quite interesting and enough options for you to do. So here I just crushed some Maggi with the seasoning. This is the no, we call it no. We do have the chicken flavor version. I think it's just a basic one, and I'm just adding some seasoning to my stir-fried vegetables. Okay, so while that was going on, what I did was I poured the cauliflower into the steamed rice, and I put some flavoring inside with Maggi. And the reason why I did that because the pasta in itself comes plain. There's no taste to it basically. Apparently it comes from a root plant, I think in Japan. Yeah. It is quite edible, so this hasn't got any taste to it. So when I add the seasoning, it infuses in and it kind of enhances a form of taste to it. So by the time I add it into my stir fry, it's just ready. There's so many various ways of cooking this version of rice or pasta, and we will be exploring that as time goes on. So I usually wait towards the end as my stir fry is going to be very soon. It's time for me to add my ginger. I love the dried ones, but I also love the fresh ones. So I just brought this out of the freezer, and I'm adding my ginger. I'm adding some garlic, and I'm adding some coriander. You can just sustain that freshness with the pot. Give it a fry away. And just put the garlic. and my coriander. I just love what this coriander does to my meal. It gives it a form of essence. I can't really explain it. And even though the veggies, there, it gives it a very nice color. Well, I don't really know how else to explain this. Now, there's something unique about this pasta or this kind of product. They don't go soggy. They don't go soggy. Like you can overdo your spaghetti or your noodles, but they don't go soggy. It's almost like plastic that's not plastic, that's edible. It's not plastic. It just has that kind of. It has a good strength to it. More like slightly rubbery, or it's just almost like I'm trying to think of something that I could compare it with. Maybe that would be. Let me think. Give me a moment. Should I say octopus? If you've eaten octopus before, it's that kind of chewy next to it. It has that kind of texture. So you can see that you're stir frying. It's not sticking. It's just, it just keeps popping, and just that alone is just, encouraging. Just, you need to try it if you've never tried it. And when you do, please come back and share your experience with us. So here I'm just adding some curry. So I might have been scrubbing my pan here. I didn't want anything sticking underneath, so I was going to just scrub, and sorry about the noise it's making there. Now, I love my kidney beans in stir fries. It gives it another form of chewiness. Some people who don't eat meat at all, they will tell you that when they eat kidney beans, it's just as though they're eating meat. So you notice that I put quite a few things in this stir fry. Majorly varieties of vegetables, and now I'm adding my kidney beans here. I literally just brought this out of the freezer because I thought about it the very last minute, but don't worry, it's going to infuse into the meal, and because the beans were already cooked anyway, so it's not a problem at all. The heat is quite strong, so it's enough to break down that ice about it. Some chili pepper. And you can decide to stop the frying process whenever you're ready. It all depends on you really. So here I just added 1 egg to this. Another trick is if you find that maybe you're doing a stir fry and it's a little bit too oily, or you just don't like the way it's looking, yes, egg is a good option. You put it in and the oil just fries the egg and it takes off the excess oil. Did you know this? If you did, please comment below. Or what are your alternatives? What do you do when you feel like your meals are a bit too oily? How do you get rid of this? Please share and comment below. few more times, couple of minutes, and it should be done soon. You can see how that is popping. It's popping up. Time to taste. Yum yum. Let's see. I wish I could describe the taste to you guys. Unfortunately, I'm sorry you can't taste it. You can only see. And I guess you'll have to take it by my word then. It just tastes amazing. This would probably feed me probably about 3 times. Okay guys, and this is the finished product. That's what it looks like. If you like what you see, please comment below. Remember to like and share, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can be alerted every time a new video is out. Thank you for watching, everyone. Au revoir.